Hello guys, hello everyone. I hope all are doing well and fine. I'm Lohit Jindal, founder and director at Cortex Classes. So guys, I'm back with the next video of PRMO 2018 of the series PRMO and IOQM previous year question series, right? So we started this series so that we are doing previous year questions in this. So far guys, हमने एक पेपर कंप्लीट किया है 2017 का and currently we are going through the paper of 2018, right? So guys, हमने 2 questions already कर लिए हैं, 2 marker each, both were 2 markers. आज हम जो क्वेश्चन देखने जा रहे हैं that is question number 3. Okay, that is also a 2 marker question, quite an easy one. The question is based on number theory. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन देखते हैं गाइस. Let's see क्या बोल रहे हैं क्वेश्चन में, सॉल्व करते हैं. Okay, let me get to the slide, corresponding slide. Okay, all right, here it is guys. All right, so guys, the question is, consider all 6-digit numbers of the form A B C C B A. इस फॉर्म का होना चाहिए where B is odd. This is given to us कि B odd है इसमें. Okay, determine the number of all such 6-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. तो हमें बेसिकली एक तो नंबर्स का फॉर्मेट दिया हुआ, इट इज इन द फॉर्मेट ए बी सी सी बी ए, कि जो फर्स्ट और लास्ट डिजिट है वो सेम है, सेकंड लास्ट इज द सेम एंड थर्ड लास्ट इज द सेम, राइट, वेयर द बी वैल्यू इज ऑड, ये भी हमें गिवन है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ सच 6-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. Okay, so we will need to check the divisibility by 7. So let us write the number down guys. First of all, number को लिख कैसे सकते हैं, how we can represent this number? We can write it like this. So guys, starting from the end I'll write. So जो लिखते हैं ना हम tens digit into 10, singles digit into unit digit into 1 and so on. So we'll open up its decimal situation, decimal format. So A into 1 plus B into 10 from the right hand side, okay, plus C into 10 square plus another C into 10 power 3. So B into 10 power 4, right? And lastly, A into 10 power 5. Okay. So now let's combine the corresponding terms. Okay. Let's combine the corresponding terms. Just a second, guys. All right. So now, see, 1 0 0. कितने zeros है? 10 power 5 है. So we'll have 4 zeros and a 1 times A. Right? So with B, what is it? 10 power 4 plus 10. So 1 0 0 1 0. That is the B value, plus C के साथ में क्या आएगा? 100 plus 1000. So 1100. Can I write it like this? So guys, now after this step, there are 2 different things you could have done, और आप directly इस step पे भी कर सकते थे. So if you guys are familiar about the congruent modulo concept, आप उसका यूज भी कर सकते हो. 10 power 5 को you can see if you divide by 7, 10 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिमाइंडर 3 आएगा. So 10 power 5 will give you the same remainder. Okay, I'll show you once. If you want, you can do. See guys, 10 is congruent to 3 mod 7, right? So if you are doing 10 power 5, let's say, so that will give you 3 power 5 mod 7. So which you can solve further as well, right? 3 power 5 वैसे तो simple है. It's about 243, right? 81 into 3, yeah, 243, right? 243 को आप 7 से डिवाइड कर सकते हो. So that should be congruent to, okay, just a second guys. So 243 is congruent to, आप देख सकते हो, this is 243. Okay, I'll write here. So 243 किसके congruent हो जाएगा? So basically you can see for the different powers of 3 in this question as well. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea, or you can divide them by 7 as well, straightforward, and you can get the remainder as well. Okay, I'll show you the both methods. Show you both the methods. Okay, 24 को divide किया guys, 21 आएगा, right? 24 divided by 7 will give you 21 as the nearest integer. Then 33 बचेगा, and as you know 28 is the nearest integer, so it will be congruent to 5 mod 7, right? You can do it this way. तो हर ब्रैकेट का आप कर सकते हो guys, हर टर्म का कर सकते हो like this. Okay, so I'll show you from this. So n will be congruent to a का तो a ही बन जाएगा. b into 10 is guys 3b, right? So if it is 10 square, so guys आपका 3 square हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. You can get this idea now, right? So 10 पावर n is congruent to 3 पावर n mod 7, राइट? आप ऐसे सोच सकते हो. तो अगर c के साथ 10 स्क्वायर है, so that should be corresponding to 3 स्क्वायर, so that is 9, राइट? 9 को 7 से डिवाइड करोगे, you will get 2 as the remainder, so that is 2c. Similarly 10 क्यूब होगा तो क्या होगा? 3 क्यूब 27, so 27 gives you 27 will give you minus 1c, or you can say 6c, right? So I can write it as minus 1c. That should be easier for us. Minus 1 times c, right? So 1000 के लिए, because 1001 is a multiple of 7, right? Similar way guys, b into 10 power 4. So 10 power 4 मतलब 3 power 4, that is 81. So 81 divided by 7 will give you 77 as the nearest multiple. So the remainder is 4. Okay. So that is 4b. And last a power 5 I have shown you, that is giving you remainder of 5. So that is 5a. So you see this is mod 7. I have done the जो first equation हमने लिखी थी उसका हमने congruent modulo 7 के साथ कर दिया है basically. तो हर term का हमने congruent modulo 7 कर दिया है. So that means n is congruent to a plus 5a becomes 6a, right? Plus 3b plus 4b is 7b, and 2c minus c is c. So guys, we want this whole term to be divisible by 7. We'll come to that. Okay. This is one way. And guys, you could have divided this equation जो हमने यहाँ पे ये लिखी थी second equation, n को solve करके थोड़ा सा, you could have divided it by 7 as well and calculated the respective remainders simply, है ना? वो भी आप कर सकते हो if you are not, you know, familiar with this congruent modulo concept. Although if you are preparing for maths Olympiad, this is one concept that you should be knowing, है ना? उसके बिना काम नहीं चल पाएगा number theory में. Okay. All right. I'll show you the other method as well. After that, I'll continue. Okay. So guys, n को और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? If you divide it by 7 from this step onwards, I'm writing here. So guys, I'll be needing the calculator. Okay. या फिर आप divide कर लेते हैं. Okay, चलो. A को पढ़ा रहने देते हैं. So dividing this, what is this? 10 power 5 plus 1 को 7 से divide करेंगे. Right? So dividing by 7, 10 को divide किया, 1 आ गया. Then we get 30. 30 को divide करेंगे तो 4 आ जाएगा. 20 बचेगा. For this 0, right? 20 के लिए guys 2 is the quotient. Then 60 बचेगा. इसके लिए 60 के लिए 56 आएगा, 8. And finally 60 के बाद 56, 41. 41 के लिए क्या आएगा guys? 6 आएगा into 7. And you can see 41 के लिए plus remainder is 6. You know, you can write it like this. So you can see कि ये वाला number तो divisible by 7 हो गया ना. So I've broken it down. 14286 into 7 plus 6. That is this number जो A का coefficient था. Similar way you can do this with B. If you see, वो guys divide होता है. 1001 is a multiple of 7, right? 1001 you can see. Okay, I'll show you. 1, you'll get 1, 4, right? 30 आएगा. Then 21 is divisible. So 21 is 3 into 0 into 7. So you'll get this thing with the B. So that term is completely divisible by 7. ठीक है? It will not hamper us. Okay. And similarly for C, you can do this thing. Okay, I'll write here. Plus C के साथ क्या आ जाएगा guys? So 1100. So first it will divide 140 बचेगा. 40 के लिए 5. Right? 40 is 5. Yes, 30. Then you will be left with, let's see, 1100 ना? Right. 11 पे डिवाइड हुआ, right? 40 बचेगा. 40 के लिए 35. Then you're left with 50. Okay, yes, 50 के लिए 157. You can see its prime factorization is not prime factorization, rather division. 157 into 7 plus 1 is the remainder. So guys, you can see the respective remainders are 6 and 1. वो तो पूरा divisible ही है B के साथ. That we are going to do here as well. So we can write, so n is congruent to 6a plus c mod 7, right? Since 7b तो multiple ही है 7 का, so it will give you 0 remainder. So we can reduce it to 6a plus c, and this thing will also be reduced to 6a plus c. You can see the remainder wise, रिमाइंडर वाइज आपको मैंने जैसे अंडरलाइन करके दिखाया गाइस, यू विल सी this 6 into A and 1 into C, right? So this will give you the remainder as 6A plus C as well, right? So I've told you the two different ways. So you can, I hope you understand either one of those, at least one of those, right? Okay. Now what next? So guys, अब remainder ये आ रहा है. How to make it simpler? So what I can do here is, guys, we can add an A value and subtract an A value for the remainder purpose. So since 6A plus A, guys, क्या बन जाएगा? 7A, right? This 6A plus A will get combined, right? 6A plus A is 7A. So since we are doing mod 7, we can remove that and we are left with C minus A. So the final thing is कि number को अगर 7 पे divisible करना है, so C minus A का value जो होना चाहिए, it should be a multiple of 7. Since the remainder is based on only or dependent on only C minus A. So guys, what are the different values C minus A can take? See, do remember C and A क्या है? Those are digits from 0 to 9, right? C or A are digits from 0 to 9. So C minus A ka guys maximum value is 9, right? It can be 9 minus 0, although A cannot be 0 in this case. So 9 minus 1. So the maximum value is 8. Okay. And the minimum value, okay, I'll write here. So guys, iski maximum value kya ho sakti hai is term ki? 8. When you do 9 minus 1, and the minimum value is जब C 0 हो जाए और A 9 हो जाए. So that is going till minus 9. So guys, you can see it is going from minus 9 to 8, right? So in this region minus 9 to 8 में हमें देखना है from minus 9 to 8 how many multiples of 7 are there. So guys, one is 0, minus 7 and 7. These are the three possibilities, right? So 0, minus 7 or 7 हो सकता है. Now for 0, let's count the cases, right? So 0 कैसे हो सकता है guys? When C and A are equal, right? And as we see कि C और A दोनों क्या हो सकते हैं? A cannot be 0, right? So 1 to 9 जा सकते हैं, right? It is very simple. For the C minus A to be 0, C is equal to A, and they are digits from 0 to 9. Out of the 10 options, you cannot put 0, right? Then the जो number है आपका 6 digit नहीं बचेगा. So you have 8 options, right? You have 8 cases. Sorry, 9 cases. Sorry, not 8, 9. 0 नहीं हो सकता ना, 1 to 9 आप जा सकते हो. So your A and C are equal and from 1 to 9, right? Simple. So 9 cases. Now what about minus 7? So how can we make minus 7? Okay, let us see. So guys, C minus A is 7. So that means C is equal to A minus 7. And since we know that it has to be greater than equal to 0, right? It has to be greater than equal to 0. So the values of C, or you can say A की क्या क्या values put कर सकते हैं? C 0 हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है. So A can be 7, 8 और 9, right? That's it. A को अगर आप 7 पुट कर दोगे तो C को 0, A को 8 पुट कर दोगे तो C को 1, and A को 9 तो C को 2. So there are 3 cases, right? So these are 3 cases to make the sum as, or you can say C minus A को minus 7 बनाने के कितने ways हो गए? 3, right? Now let's talk about 7. So guys, इसमें क्या करेंगे? C minus A is 7, so we can write C is equal to A plus 7, right? And since we know this has to be greater less than equal to 9, right? तो A की क्या क्या values put कर सकते हैं? देखो, the values of A that I can put so that the sum is less than equal to 9. तो minimum value 0 नहीं put कर सकते. Keep this thing in mind. यही जहां पे गलती होने के chances हैं. पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा गाइज इसमें, है ना? सो बी केयरफुल यहाँ पे, ऐसी जगह पे ध्यान रखना है. सो ए कैन नॉट बी 0 बिकॉज द फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट डिजिट, राइट? ए फर्स्ट और लास्ट डिजिट है, वो 0 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज देन इट विल नॉट बी 6 डिजिट नंबर. तो ए को 1 डाल सकते हैं, 2 डाल सकते हैं, दैट्स इट. सो यू कैन पुट ए एज 1 and 2, that's it. That are the only possibilities. So that means this corresponds to 2 cases. So that's it guys. C और A की जो values हैं, how many ordered pairs will be there? 9 plus 3 plus 2. So 14 pairs, right? So guys, so A and C can total, in total, I'll write here. So in total, there will be 14 cases, right? And B के लिए कितने cases हैं guys? लेट मी मेक सम स्पेस हियर गाइस. ओके, तो बी की क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं? बी कैन टेक एनी ऑड वैल्यू, राइट? इट्स गिवन कि बी ऑड होना चाहिए. हियर इट इज गिवन कि बी ऑड होना चाहिए, राइट? सो बी ऑड होना चाहिए. सो द पॉसिबिलिटीज आर 1 3 5 7 9. 1 3 5 7 9. So that is 5 possibilities. So 5 possibilities for this, right? So the total number of cases, so total number of such numbers will be 14 into 5, right? There are 14 ordered pairs of A and C, and there are 5 possible values of B. So since they are independent, we can multiply them to calculate the total number of numbers. Such numbers जितने आप बना सकते हैं ऐसे. Okay, so 14 into 5 is 70. So this is more of number theory and a bit of combinatorics mixed, but major portion was number theory, right? So 70 is the final answer, guys. There are 70 such numbers that you can form under the given criteria. So the final answer to this question that should be marked in an exam is 70, guys, right? I hope, guys, ये question सबको समझ में आया. I hope the two methods are clear about the remainder thing. Congruent modulo is a much, you can say faster or you can say efficient way of doing this. So if you don't know these concepts, you should be knowing this. Okay, do study those. Okay, and I hope, guys, आपको सबको समझ में आ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है. Okay, and if you're feeling the videos to be useful, please recommend your friends to follow this as well, अगर वो prepare कर रहे हैं Maths Olympiad के लिए, right? Okay, all right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. We have done 3 questions. We'll come back with the 4th question in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep practicing, guys. Okay, take care. Bye bye.